Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page by clicking the red button right there, and make sure you do click the bell notification so you can get a notification when I do upload a new video, which I am trying to upload 2 videos in a week. I'm getting there. I'm trying to record in advance to be able to edit and submit it, and yeah. But today's video is gonna be nothing related to makeup, nothing related to hauls or nothing like that. It's gonna be a really short video showing you guys how I spent less than $20 to get this right here, this background right here. I live in an apartment. It's not a big house. This, what you see, it's like a little corner in my room that I have on my desk with my makeup and everything, and I needed a background because the scenery of my bed, it was just getting tired of it. I wanted something new, something different, and something that people will get interested to look. So I decided to just I started searching online, how can I build like a cheap, because I didn't want to buy a backdrop because it doesn't fit in my room. That shit is like, you know, that is a huge a huge investment, first of all, which I'm not ready to do right now. Maybe in the future when I have more space, I will do a backdrop. I just created this DIY backdrop myself. You guys won't believe it, like what it is. I saw it in a video. I was like, that is such a great idea, and I was like, I need to get it together and do it. So I decided to do it. I went on a hunt, and you guys won't believe what I did. But you're gonna be like, that's how you did it, girl? I'm gonna do the same. So I used like the fabric was from Walmart. I got like 2 yards. This is a fabric. This is like no cardboard or nothing. This is fabric. I got this one, and I got the gold one. Later on I'll get other colors, but that's the 2 fabric. They're what, $6? I think it's 3 something per yard, so it's like 6 something, which is not bad. Usually a backdrop on Amazon is like 20 bucks, 30, I don't even know. But like the backdrop, you know. But something else, and then the product I used for the background. So you guys won't believe what I used. This is what I used. This, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is a closet. It's a garment rack. You guys see that? It's a garment rack. It is really easy to build. You don't need no tools nor nothing. I actually bought it at Walmart, and this was like it was actually on sale on clearance. Usually it's like $14, something like that. And when my mom came home, she was like, it was $8. I was like, what? $8? That is insane. I was like, damn. I was lucky, but it was like 8 something when she bought it. But yeah, this is what I use. And what I do is, like, the fabric, it's in here, and then I pinch it with some clips I bought at the dollar store. After this video, I'm gonna show you guys like how it looks. I'm gonna just be off the camera and do that. But yeah, this was $8. This is like a, you know, when you put the clothes, you guys see that? That's where you put the clothes. Like if you have like a little laundry thing or something, that is what it is. And I saw someone do it, and I was like, that is so smart. And it's good because it's like long enough that it covers the whole background in the back. It's just unbelievable. It's like less than $20. This is amazing. I'm all about saving and trying to do new things that other people can do too and try. But I thought it was such a great idea. It is in Walmart.com. You guys can see there. But yeah, and I actually seen it in other places. You can actually check on Ross or TJ Maxx. You can actually check I checked in a store here that is called Deseas Discounts. That is in Florida. I don't know if you guys heard of that, if you're from Florida, but there I seen it. Basically everywhere you can see it, like in a big store that has like storage organizers, like clothing or something like that, like closet organizers. That is where you can find those. And yes, so my battery died, so I have to record with my cell phone, so excuse my quality. But this is the back of the, what is it called, garment rack. This is the back. I bought these clips from the dollar store right here. That is from the dollar store. This is how it looks. The bottom, which I don't put anything in there, but that's it. That's how it looks. Less than $20 I paid. Because $6. I bought this fabric just like a couple weeks ago, but the first fabric I bought was the gold one, which is $6. These things are in the dollar store, and they actually come 2-in-1 packet, I believe, because now it's just $1 each, you know, so it's not that expensive. And then the rack thing was like $8, less than $10, so I didn't even spend like more than $20. So that is just a bomb. And we look through the front. This is how it looks, you see, and it's long enough that it can cover the back. That's how it looks. See? Forgive my mess, but that is how it looks. Really good DIY, just to start up with a background. That was my best choice. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope this is helpful for a lot of you guys who are just starting in YouTube. This is just a good DIY to start up with a little background on the back of your page, to change it up, to change the theme, to change the colors. You know, you gotta start from the bottom, but this is something that it can start you up with good videos. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want more stuff like this, let me know. Thank you for watching guys, and remember to subscribe.